Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll walk you through how to delete game saved data on Android. Here are the steps to delete game saved data on Android. First, close the game completely if it's running. Open Settings on your Android phone. Scroll down and tap Apps or App Management and go to All Apps. Find and select the game app you want to reset. Tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache. Save does not delete progress. Tap Clear Storage or Clear Data. Confirm by tapping OK or Delete. Go back to the home screen. Restart your phone. Open the game again. Sign in as guest if prompted. If the game uses Google Play Games, open that app. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Then tap Delete Play Games account and data. Optional for full reset. Important notes. Clearing data deletes all saved progress. Cloud saved games may restore data after login, and some games require deleting the Google Play Games data too. That's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.